Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, I'm your health guide, and today I'm going to talk to you about zinc. This little mineral is super important for your body, so let's see how it can help. First, what is zinc? Zinc is a mineral that your body needs to work properly. It's like a hero that protects your immune system, helps heal wounds, and helps your cells grow healthy and strong. Zinc is used for many things, such as fighting colds, improving acne, or if you don't have enough zinc in your body. It also helps your skin and hair to be healthier. If you have problems with your immune system or need to recover faster from an injury, your doctor might prescribe zinc. And how does it work? Zinc activates the cells that defend your body. It's also like a shield against cell damage. Let's talk about how much you need. The normal amount for an adult is between 15 and 30 milligrams per day. But remember, it's always best to check with your doctor to find out the amount that's right for you. And a tip, take it with food so it doesn't upset your stomach. Does it have side effects? Some people may experience nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. If you take too much, you could have more serious problems, like not having enough copper. So, always follow your doctor's instructions. In short, zinc is a very beneficial mineral for your health. But remember, use it carefully and always under the supervision of a professional. Thanks for watching the video and for taking care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.